Who approves plans for construction? In this video, I'm going to give you a simple breakdown and you are off to the races. So let's do this right now. Who approves the plans is the authority having jurisdiction, the AHJ. The authority having jurisdiction is basically either a county, city, not very often the state or federal, but actually sometimes federal, especially with like federal projects. But it's county, city, state, or federal jurisdictions that will basically govern the building code in that area and approve the plans to confirm they're in compliance with the local adopted codes. And so if you want to go build something, whether it's residential or commercial or industrial, you have to go get permission from the authority having jurisdiction unless for some reason it's exempt. And there are some situations that you can research where it might be exempt. But the bottom line is, if you have a set of drawings, that has to get permitted by the AHJ, and then you are off to the races, but you are under the governance of the inspector, and you have to get issued a temporary certificate of occupancy and then a certificate of occupancy to actually occupy and utilize the building according to the building permit and plans and as inspected by the inspector. But to get more specific, the construction drawings will be the design team and the engineers with the owner and the construction manager. They will then go through numerous sets. Hopefully they're pulling in trade partners. And then that goes to the city for approval. Then you're off to the races. If it's a deferred submittal, then what happens is the designer, owner, and the construction manager or general contractor will work, a general contractor most of the time, will work with the deferred submittal, then hire a trade partner to finish the engineering and design, then submit it to the city, then get approval, then you're off to the races. The other thing is regular submittals. Regular submittals are things that are already approved according to the building permit, right? But you do have to run them by the material type, the assembly, the dimensions, any other information, installation data, the whole nine. According to the specifications, you have to submit those to the design team. And so those are reviewed by the trade partner, the general contractor before it goes to the design team, goes to the design team, the architect or engineers, and then once it's approved, you basically order and install the equipment. So those are the folks that review and approve plans for construction. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.